How are you doing? Bro, you got any brain rot sounds? No, I'm like looking. I don't know. I'm like looking for sound. I have no idea, bro. Honestly. What the heck is this? Is this like copyright? I mean, this is on Roblox. Is all that copyrighted or not? Kind of confused, bro. Yo, what up, RZ? Good, how are you, bro? Refinery caves. Yo, these refinery caves people are actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Refinery caves too. This is Cried by a Dave coming at you. Take the cool down at the goddamn game. So crazy. Yo, what up, Zom? Genuinely crazy. I'm looking for like brain rot sounds right now. I mean, I don't even know what's happening right now, bro. I'm looking for like lobby music and then like match music. Like, that's kind of like brain rot-ish. Don't worry, I'll be back after I take 30 minutes to mine this rock. Jesus Christ, who is this guy? He can't be real. He's an NPC. He's actually an NPC. This is Crackpot Dave coming at you. Take a cool down out the goddamn game. Are you an NPC? I don't know. I don't want to get copyrighted but it's Roblox music, so I feel like I can't get copyrighted. Maybe. I really don't know. It's static. It's probably because I'm not like close to it. Bro, what is happening right now? I can't hear audio. Uh, that makes sense.
Group chat chaos, no one's hush. Pull up to the mall, yeah, we out.
Italia Prime rotte. Mamma mia, tutti cervello marcio. Every
Really? Where do you even see that, RZ?
Sahur, bombardiro, crocodilo. Lui suona la colazione.
Nah, I don't think so.
Old Italian.
I'm making a brain rot game, bro. I like the sound. This is a sound that a popular game uses for their chat, for like the NPCs talking. Forgot which one it was.
Nubini, Pisanini, Liri, Lila, Rila, Fluri, Flura, Tim, Cheese, Talpa di Ferro.
Like, do we use that or nah? Do we use the Christmas jingle or nah? The one above Tung Tung, bro, they use that sound in Type Soul, do they? Maybe a lot of popular games use it. The Sans speaking sound is actually from SpongeBob, believe it or not. That's interesting. What's a zoomer? This is boomer versus zoomer. What's a zoomer?
Headsets on lock.
Did I just hear that right?
Steady bop bop. Headsets on lock.
Sets. I don't know what she's talking about. I don't think so. I mean, I don't know, bro. These songs are all ass. I feel like this one's kind of good though, maybe for like lobby music. I don't know. Or match music, maybe. I don't fucking know. But this one's actually kind of nice. This one's kind of nice. I actually like this one. I'm not gonna lie. Like I would never listen to it, like, but you know. Claire de Lune. Claire, where do you see that? I don't see that. Alright. Not that one. This can't be fucking real, bro. Like, who's making this? Who's making this? Is this AI? That is so crazy.
Ding dong, is this the Fyro Zone?
That's AI, you think? Yeah, a little bit. Whew.
Hear ye, King Banjiak Scarlet has bestowed upon the kingdom the most splendid song of the age. I'm a king, I'm a boss, and I'm never gonna stop on my throne.
Oh my god, that one was terrible. Oh, hold on. What was that? I want to listen to it again just to make out what the fuck was happening, but I'm scared to. I could use this as a notification for either. I could use this as a notification for a player stealing from the base, the other team's base. I could use this as a steal sound. I think that'd be lit. Yo, what up, Castillo? I like this, actually. Not gonna lie. Is this W match music, though? Is that W match music? That's W match music. Come on, bro. Damn, bro. I don't know, RZ, but this music is fire. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like this. This is nice. Damn. This shit nice. This shit nice. I'm gonna use this, bro.
Ding dong, is this the viral zone?
I don't know what the hell that is. Dude, I mean that like jazzy shit was nice though, no? That was actually genuinely good. Not even gonna lie. The brain rot idea I'm doing is to steal a brain rot, but it's match based, so it's team and match based. That's a good ass sound effect. I really like that sound effect. And then I could add like a notification, like so and so is stealing from. You know what I mean? Like, I could add like a cool notification up there. I think that'd be lit. I think that's a good idea. That sound effect and a notification that so-and-so's stealing. I think that's actually a really good idea. And then do I use this for the lobby? Or the match. Which one's the match, bro? Alright. Alright. I feel like this is lobby music, no? This is lobby music, and then this is match music. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's fire. Bro, what is this fucking song, dude? Well, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be. Now let's see if we can find a crying song or something, bro. Or not a crying song, but just a crying audio. Do we use this or no? I don't know. I think this edited could be really good. But not as is. Hey, that actually sounds fire. Don't know what I'd use it for, but we'll see. I don't know, that's a weird sound. I feel like I'd use it for something, though. Alright, let's try, a hit sound. We need a hit sound. Probably just gonna use this one, maybe. The Hip Deep Woken one was really good, though. SFX pack? What are you talking about? I like this one better. For the club hit. Thanks, but I'm just gonna use these, bro. I just like looking at the Roblox store for them. That's gonna be the club. That's gonna be the club sound effect. Slap. We need a slap sound.
Oh!
Jesus Christ. W slap sound or nah? I like this one a lot, actually. Fuck it. Fuck it. What other sounds do we need, bro? That's gonna be a brain rot sound for sure. Wait, that's a hello neighbor sound? I don't know. Can we use that? I could use this for like the brain rot elephant. I could use this for something. I could use that for a UI opening, like bucket.
Focus.
I'm trying to think there's a sound that I picked up a while ago. I don't know where it is, bro. I might. Let me see something. Fuck no, that is not good. Yo, what up, Hayden?
Mango, mango, mango.
I'm just gonna use this one, bro. Ooh, I like that a lot. All right, that's lit. All right, but what other sounds do I need? Oh my god. No idea what group it's under. What up, Scooby? I'm gonna use that for when the they're like, and let's see if we can make an exclamation point real quick. Yeah, I responded, you goofball. Also, watch your motherfucking mouth. Alright. Did this already get fucked up, bro? Like, goddamn. You know what I'm gonna do is, I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this position. I'm gonna put the same position right there. I like the way you do that right there, right there. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Alright, excuse me. That's crazy. Switching, you walking, now you hurt, now you hurt. How is this exclamation point looking? That's looking lit. I fucking like it, I like it. It's cool for now. It's like cool for now, you know? I like the way you do that right there, right there. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Fuck it. Or should I have this be or should I have this be bro, what are you talking about? Yeah, learn Lua, bro. It's way better. Or should I have this be just a square? Should I have this be a square? Or should I have it be a circle? I kind of like the circle, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of rocking with the circle, but at the same time, I feel like I might rock with the this right here. Like I'm actually rocking with this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually rocking with that. To be honest. Circle or cube? Circle or cube? Let's see what the cube look like. I'm liking the cube, bro. It's like more, you know what it is, I feel like off rip. Better with the circle, maybe? I don't know. We'll use the cube for now, dude. It doesn't matter. Nah, it's not a tycoon game. Alright, but here's what I need to do, though. Now you heard, now you heard. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Yo, what up, cheese? Cheese and bacon. Shit, it's storming outside? Like, holy shit. Can't tell if it's storming or not outside. I'll be right back. All right. So this is no longer gonna be a thing, okay? Could be nil. What are we talking about? Oh my god, I fucking hate this shit. There we go. All right. If folder get attribute um as or actor ID actor key, then continue new target position equals folder find first child actor span dot position um okay, and then I need to change it so that in here in my run service, basically I'm on the init server, so it's in here. Actors caged. This is yeah, target target. Where do I set the new target though? Target position. If not standing time elapsed. Where am I setting the new position though? That's like kind of like what I'm not sure of. Uh, I thought I was doing it here, but it doesn't look like I'm doing it there. Maybe I'm not. Let's just play it out and test real quick. Maybe I'm not setting a new position. Okay, so that works. But it's not idle. I don't know why the idols are not working, bro, but it's kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Like, they should be working 100%. So this is working, it looks like. I mean, he's just staying there, so it is working. It's just the idol needs to be played and he needs to be facing forward. Which that's not hard to do at all, but the idol I can't figure out. Yeah, I don't know. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I know, bro. There's gonna be two, there's two lines, right? They go in the opposite direction of each other. Just to kind of add more chaos. This sand played it, nice game. What? Here's Here's where the idol's supposed to be, bro. Like, this is literally where the idol's supposed to be. The walking works perfectly. It's public on the group. Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah, this is it right here. I'm using attributes. Get attribute change signal. I forgot it was public, bro. It's not even nearly done. Like, it is, like, I'll finish it today, at some point today. It'll be done, and polished. But, yeah, like, once it's finished and polished, the gameplay is gonna really be almost completely different because it'll be polished. It'll be better. It'll be like a major difference with everything that's gonna be in. Now, what was I trying to look for? I gotta set these C frames for these a certain way, and then also make a pickup animation. Yeah, see? Your track does not exist. Oh, I didn't see this last time. Interesting. Huh. Weird. Let me see if I can fix that. What was that? The chimp banana? It's right here, so it has one. It has one. Fuck, dude, I don't even know. This is honestly mind-blowing to me. This is the only place we set the idle, and so it is setting this attribute to that, but for some reason it doesn't exist. So it's not getting created here. Which I'm not really sure why that's. I have no idea why that's happening. I'm not really making games with a lot of people. Created idle for teapot. Interesting. Created idle for tripper. Created idle for shark shoes. Your track does not exist. Idle. Now the weird thing is in this print statement it has 2 spaces in between current state. I don't have any spaces here in this variable, or at least I shouldn't. This is actually not making any sense. But because there's a space right here, you know, I'm just kind of confused. There shouldn't be an extra space there, so it makes me think that I just have no fucking idea, honestly. It makes me think that the spacing is wrong. Like there's a space in there somewhere, and that could possibly be the reason why it's not finding the animation, maybe. I just don't get it, bro. Oh. Fucking shit. Holy shit. My mic is really bad. Is it? That's a rip. Now it's gonna work, I bet. Hey, we had that little space on accident. Missed it. Yeah. Cool, bro. Now what I can do is set the, once it walks over to the platform, I can set the position and make it face forward. Yo, what up, Deceived? Which that should be simple. And then I want to turn off the UI as soon as they're picked up. So, all right. And then I also have to do the money situation. I just don't know if I'm gonna. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I need to store. I need to store values inside of the money part. No, they don't. Just animation controllers. There's no need for them to have humanoids. Forgot what I was doing. Forgot what I was doing. Yeah, I'm super locked, bro. I'm just like super fucking locked right now. I'm balling out on this shit, dude. This is gonna have to change probably because we could have cases where they haven't loaded in yet and we've already set these params. So what I'm gonna have to do eventually is like, you know, do a bunch of dot added, like child added events, and we'll also loop through the current ones that are already loaded in, and just stupid shit, honestly. But should be good, should be good. Get actor money. I'm just gonna do this right here. The only time I'm using get actor money is to use it for adding. So I'm just gonna subtract anyway. Yeah. I'm pretty locked in, bro. I just set up a whole system real quick. I'm pretty fucking locked in. I gotta do this components though. You're a noob? Damn, bro. Add a UI frame rate? Yeah, it is, Hayden. Yep. Are the brain rots movement type thing finished or nah? Like the movement type thing. What are you talking about? 4 likes. Cool, bro. What was I just doing? Oh, this right here. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make me a function. You're bad at doing code. Just get better, bro. Yeah, they do, Hayden. If you go to my Roblox profile, it's in the group Princess or Pineapple Girl Games. Just a random name I came up with. Honestly, I was not wanting to use the one that was there before. The game's public if you want to play it, but it's like not really there, I guess. So what I need to do here is I need to find the team. Oh, this is not, this is, that's actually a way to do it right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'll say dot name if folder dot name, and then what I'll do here is say if folder dot name equals folder, then continue. Actually, does not equal folder, then continue. Folder dot name equals unique key. All right, and then I'll have a break. I need a break off of this loop as well. All right, so now I'm not using attributes on this. There was just no need for it, really. And it's easier to do it this way versus doing get attribute and then fucking finding it. Like, there's just no point. You love Roblox? Bye. All right, bro. Peace out. Is ChatGPT useful for a beginner? No, it's not. Never use ChatGPT until you've absolutely mastered the basics and fundamentals, and also you've been able to go out on your own and build full projects. That's the only time you should be using ChatGPT. Never until then. If you can't solve a problem, what you do is you go to Google and you search up different keywords. You could be asking the same question 20 different ways. Understand that by doing that, each 20 different ways you ask the same question, you're going to get different results as the answer to that same question, just 20 different ways, right? So you need to be using Google like that. Look on forums, do actual research, get better at doing research. Still can't find the answer, join communities and ask people questions. But when you're asking questions, you also need to give detailed questions. You can't just say, I need help with this, and then send a screenshot or a copy paste of your code. You actually need to be thorough about your question, detail your question, what you're trying to do in gameplay, not just the code. You need to be explaining what you want to accomplish in gameplay. And then also explain what the problem is that you're facing in your code, like errors and all this other stuff, right? You need to detail, because coding takes time. For a programmer to go out of their way to help you is going to take them time. Thanks for the follow, but no, I'm not gonna watch that. Yo, what up, spammer? That's kind of crazy. People are able to send links in Twitch chat now. Kind of fucking nuts, to be honest. All right. What the hell? What the helly? All right. So this should work now. Maybe. Steel. I can't remember where my steel mechanics was. Else, if prompt and prompt.action text does not equal steel, if player.team.name does not equal team per actor, this is supposed to be equals steel, isn't it? Equals steel, I think. I think so. Can you do a steal a thing next, please? What are we talking about? Is there, Hayden? I haven't gone to it. Hmm. I don't understand what's happening there. I really don't. I can still pick them up. I shouldn't be able to do that. It doesn't equal drop. That's why. And if action equals pickup. There we go. That'll work. That should do it. That should do it. Now it'll go to steal properly. Okay. Steal a brawler? That sounds crazy, bro. Alright, so I don't know what I forgot what I was doing. No, I forgot what I was doing. We do need to update these right here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add in an update. Money dot update actor. Update money per actor. Right there. Oh, it just took a long time. It was delayed. Alright, so that's cool. Now we have in our money controller. Boom! I don't think this is gonna really work first try, obviously. But let's just see where we're at. I don't remember, honestly. I think I did, yeah. I think I ended up using that, yeah. Okay, so we're not getting any UI. Oh, we don't even have any. We don't even have any billboards. But it looks like it's working. Hmm. That's why. Fucking default standing time is crazy. Let me see real quick. Actors. So it was basically 30 seconds it was waiting for it, I think. Took like, yeah, something like that. I think this game's gonna be so good when it's done, bro. Probably, maybe, I don't know. I say that about every game I work on. Okay, so let's see now what it does. See if it works. Alright, it should have been pulled up already, so it's not working. Let's get some pranks going. Let me see real quick. Alright, let me actually do a print there. I feel like that would be the less chaotic, the least chaotic one. Alright, if that's printing, then we at least know that we should be getting um money from collect like having a bring on.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, whatever.
I'm pretty good. Just chilling. How have you been?
Chilling.
That's nice. Did you publish that game you were talking about?
Soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your premise?
All right. So we're not
Yo.
we're not getting this print. What the fuck is happening, bro? All right. So really, like, we're not getting this print. So what's happening is either this isn't running through. Yeah. What's this? Let me check on this first. Actors unique key and actors unique key not get amount. Okay, that's cool. So that's fine. Just in case though. Just in case. And then, so basically, it's basically saying, it's either not finding, it seems like it's just looping. It seems like it's just looping here. Actors get team. I could just do team. Right here, that's team right there. So it's basically just looping, I think. So I don't know why that's happening. If it's not detecting. I believe we were setting it right. So yeah, down here is where we're setting it. Folder.name. Folder.name equals unique key. Let's just check. Bro, we can just check real quick. We're robber. It is, so it should be working then. Interesting. Very interesting, I think. Oh. Wrong screen. Oh, wrong fucking window. Tripping. So it is changing the name. So it's changing the name. The problem is either for some reason these don't match. That can't be true. That's not possible. At least I don't think it is. Let's see what we're doing. So I think this is the culprit. If distance is less than 2. Aha, that's the culprit. So we have here in our move function, we're using, where's our move function? What the fudge nuggets? It's under spawn move. Aha, here it is. So here, check this out. Aha ha. No. All right. Okay, so oh my goodness, this code is like this right here might be a little bit
not organized, but I'm able to still find it quickly, so it's kind of okay. It's kind of okay. Here is where I'm moving them. Ah ha ha! Test distance. What is our test distance? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to do if it's test distance plus 0.3 is a buffer. 0.4 is a buffer. 0.4 is a buffer. Because it's never going to be exact on the dot. Aha, that should work. That should work. What the flip nuggets? I know, dude. What the actual dookie flips? Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Yeah, this is actually day 7. I should have had this done yesterday, but I was just kind of slacking a little bit. Not really. Still did a lot, but this is the day, though. It will be done today, 100,000%. Look at this. Now we just need to see if our money UI is working. Oh, fuck. What's happening now? It's still not even adding money, bro. That's working, though. Huh. That's kind of weird. Less than test distance plus 4. Maybe I should do... Where's actor's cage getting set at? Let me see if that's even a thing, bro. I don't even think I'm using this. Oh, wait, no, yeah. I'm not even using actor's cage. I'm not even using actor's cage, bro. Let me see what actor's caged is. Let me see the values. So actor's caged is only the unique key. So what we really can do is team per actor. Unique key. There we go. And then have team there. Easy. And then we'll probably get rid of actor's cage in a bit. But yeah, let's test that. Let's test that. Thanks for the follow. GL invalid. Mass pack. Alright. Bro, come on. And you know what? Devs are gonna hate on this UI, but come on, bro. That's $1 billion UI right there. Let's keep it above. Easy. Easy. Animation failed. Oh, sweet. Sweet nuggets. Sweet nuggets of the Lord. Money controller 37. Money controller 37. 37. 37. Oh, that's right. I gotta set up the data. I gotta set up the data. Gotta set up the data. Update money per actor. I only need to look at the flyers. Get actor money. Why would I have this actually there? That doesn't make any sense, actually. Money, get actor per money. Okay, so local money per actor equals for the team. Actually, local money. Fuck, this is gonna be so corny. I'll just do this. I'll just do this. Update actor money. Add money to actor. I don't want to do that though, because that's stupid. So here's what I'll do. Here's what I'll do. I am gonna do that corniness. Money per actor. Alright, so wait, we have the team here though. We have the team here, that's good. So, oh my god, that's so good. Hold on a second. This is easy. Oh, but I need to get for T and actor get team and actor get teams money per actor key equals team equals T money equals money get actor money key. Boom. Boom. Now this is some goofball shit, and I only recommend it if you're trying to speed up development, which I am trying to do. Oops. Wrong one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this is just what we're doing. So basically we have a table with, you know, that the way we're doing it on our client, we want to just access the team quickly on the client without doing any hocus pocus. This is kind of some hocus pocus, but it'll hocus pocus work. So that's what matters in this case. Yo, what up, nature? Yo, thanks for the follower, bro. Oh, the raid. Thanks for the raid, bro. Awesome. Awesome freaking possum, dude. "10-year-old's first project IUI." Yeah, that's actually funny. Yeah, but that 10-year-old then becomes a millionaire, right? So it's like who cares at that point? I wonder why it goes to this one first always. It's kind of a little weird. Alright. We got it. Added to actor, 50. Cool, cool, cool. But we don't have our... We don't have any errors, but we don't have our money, though. The billboard is here, though. Is it hiding? I, I'm kind of having trouble here. I don't. It's updating too quickly. I can't see it. Okay. Well, it's not even correct, so that's kind of sucky. But I can't. We can't see it. Where is it? Adorny. Adorny. Fuck. There we go. It. Wait. Wait. So it is like there, but it's not there. So now I'm like actually kind of confused. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like really, really confused right now. What is the adorning that it's adorning, bruh? Like, what is it adorning? Make the barrel board always on top and look around. That's a good idea, but it's gonna go away. I mean, we know the adorning is. No, it went away too fast. It's updating too fast. Oh, there it. Oh, weird. It's like in the ground. Why does it do that if it has an adorning? I don't understand that, honestly. It's in. I wonder why it's in the ground. It's on 000 probably. Like, what do you mean? Yo, what up, sinners? Yeah, you're good, bro. I'm really chilling. Like, I've been getting a ton of work done, so. I'm kind of confused though, like genuinely, because it has an adorny. It's just, is it not a part? Oh, that's interesting. Hold on a second. Adorning. Actor stands, find first child, unique key. And it is working, so I'm kind of like extra confused now. Yeah, I'm like fairly confused. Is there a way we can hold on? I just don't know, bro. That's the Adorny. Wait, let's just check. Yeah, yeah, look. It's the same shit. Oh, that's because the Adorny's a folder. Duh, okay, that makes more sense. I should have picked up on that. I should have picked up on that. Boom. Now it'll work. Now it'll work. But something interesting, our money isn't actually updating. So here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. Add to actor. Unique string amount. If not, money per actor unique key. Money per actor equals 0. Then we have money per actor plus equals amount. This could be very well the reason. I don't really know though. I feel like not. Oh wait, yeah, I think that is the reason. Hold on a second. Oh wait, no it's not. No it's not. No it's not. Add. Yeah, that's why. That's why actually. That's why. So we need to do this. We're just gonna do this. There we go. That'll work now. And then we do what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? If we're gonna get on, so this is gonna trigger the money button. So this is what we need to do for this. We're gonna add then clear. Okay. But we're gonna first do if then return. Greater than less than 0, then return. Clear actor money. I should not name this. I should name 0 it. I should name it 0, to be honest. Because clear, I would imply that we're it would imply like that we're getting rid, like we're making it nil, which we're not. We're only gonna make it nil when they are stolen. Well, we're not even gonna do that. We're not even gonna make it nil when they're stolen. Actually, never mind. We're probably only gonna make it nil every after match clear. That's what we're gonna do. Match clear. We're gonna make it nil. Cool. All right. So what am I missing here? I mean, I feel like I need a debounce on this. Or actually, not this. Not this. Check this out. Check this out. Check out what I'm about to do. I'm about to cook. I'm about to cook. I'm about to mother effing cook. Cook. Boom, bro. Have you seen W Place? No, I haven't. Oh, never mind. The maintenance page popped up. Wait, what? Yo, what up, Lazoom? What up, bro? What are y'all talking about? So I might have just cooked that. I think I did just cook that. Yo, what up, Derp? That is absolutely fucking insane. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what is this? What is this, bro? Infinite yield on robbers? What did I do? Did I delete something? Like, what the fuck did I do? Weird, bro. What's happening, bro? Am I lagging all of a sudden? Don't we all is kind of crazy. Status.roblox, is it down, Geo? Got Roblox is crazy. Yeah, it's down. Damn. So we still don't have our freaking money UI. Like, what is that? It is the actor stand too, though. Oh, I guess it needs to be. Oh, it needs to be money button. I forgot. It needs to be money button. I forgot. Um. I'm like thinking of where I need to go. Did you make the window which was missing? Yeah, bro, it's there. Are you making the UI and map yourself? No, I mean, yeah, I made the UI. This is the UI, Zoac, or Zoe's. This is the UI. Create a skin shop? I'm not sure what you mean. I guess what I'm gonna do is just wait for it to load. I mean, it did just load in, but this is the UI real quick, bro. Easy, easy front page UI, bro. Come on, you can't, like, come on, you can't hate on this. The UX is incredible. It's a one thing. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, bro. You can't miss with this, bro. You really can't. All right, screw it. It's not working right now. But now I remember the problem now. So now our money's gonna be working. It's not actor stand, it's money button. Truly superior UI? Look, I agree, bro. I agree. Less is more. Less is more. Less is more. Less is more. Alright. Oh, fuck. Dude, I had a mocha earlier from McDonald's, and honestly, it was pretty fire. I might go get another one. Am I retarded if I get another mocha from McDonald's? Like, am I actually a goofball? They're gonna be like, "You're back again already?" I'm gonna be like, "Yeah." Like, where you buy skins for your starter player for real? What? I have no idea, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Are you talking about on Roblox? What the fuck is a mocha, bro? A mocha? Yo, you're actually so dumb, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, what are you even talking about, Lazoon? You're crazy. You're actually crazy, bro. You don't know anything, bro. You don't know anything, bro. All right, what am I missing here? We're gonna do the should we do the effects on all clients? I feel like we should. You just gotta learn how to code, bro. I don't really know if Roblox is down. Yeah, Zombify does need to lock in, bro. I mean, it's like not and it is. Hopefully it doesn't like fuck up completely. It's not working for you. Damn. Roblox is down. Download a copy real quick. Sounds good. Heard that. Don't have to tell me twice. Don't have to tell me twice. I published, so I don't know, dude. And we can tween it eventually, but I'm just for this, I'm just gonna be adding it in, bro. What's OneDrive? I don't actually use OneDrive. I don't even know what it is, honestly. It's just on my computer. So for highlight and money highlights, get children do highlight dot parent equals local other character equals local other player equals players, get player by user ID, other character equals other player dot character, if not other character, then return equals other character test dot delay 0.5 0.435 function 45 function highlight dot parents equals money highlights break. All right, awesome, bro. Function. So we only have a remote. I was about to use an unreliable for this because an unreliable event for this would actually be kind of lit. This is like the one use case I would ever have used it. I've never used it before, and I'm not even going to use it now because I can't use it with typed event or typed remote, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. All right. Awesome. Awesome possum. We probably have a money effect now, maybe. I don't fucking know. I've never used that. What does unreliable event even do? Can you help me with my game? Sorry, I can't, bro. Join the Discord. Maybe somebody there will be able to help a little bit. I don't know. There's a lot of helpful people in there sometimes. But unreliable is just it's like has something to do with if there's like something with like I don't know, the player's performance maybe or something. I don't really freaking know. But it's basically like um all right, so now we have to get these all together. Now we actually have to fix the button. I did know, but I forgot, genuinely. I fucking did know. It's like very simple. It's like they don't I think I want to say it's to save on performance or something. Um so like it's going to choose when to not like fire. I don't fucking know, dude. I don't remember. Yeah, look it up real quick. Like I used to know, but I just don't anymore. That's lit though, guys. Look. Our little money's there now. But we can't grab it, so now we have to grab it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look into that. First off, I need to see if I can grab it from here. I can, so it should be working. Alright. So let's check our params. Okay. Resolve that instance. And our params are here. We might have to set something up here, dude. We might have to set something up here. Okay. We're gonna do I don't know how to do this, bro. I'm just like doing random shit at this point. Make UI in a code. Always just made templates in Explorer and then clone. I don't know. Because like when you use frameworks like or libraries like React and stuff like that, it's just more efficient to do it in code, but the designing of it used to take longer. Now it doesn't because you have stuff like UI labs. So it's just kind of more efficient, I guess. I don't know. So it's not working. Interesting. Why is it not working? Interesting. What is this? What is that? It's empty. They're completely empty. So this is what I'm gonna have to do is basically malnourished is kind of crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Probably a lack of sleep though. That's why I'm lost in my code base. You think so? Can't stop until I'm rich, bro. Bro, this shit is actually annoying now at this point. I mean, there's just no way it's not working. Alright, so we're gonna have to do some prints now. This isn't helpful. This is why. This right here. That's actually why. But I'm now not doing this anymore. There we go. Awesome. You're wasting time because if you slept, you could be more efficient. I mean, I'm not being, like, inefficient. I'm not being not efficient. It's just part of the game, bro. It's impossible to work at your best always. If you only ever worked at your best, you'd hardly get any work done. Unless you're on the carnivore diet and you get 10 hours of sleep every night at least, then sure. Because that is, I was always at my best when I was on a carnivore diet, to be honest. Pretty fucking crazy. Okay, I'm actually genuinely getting mad right now. Genuinely getting mad right now, bro. Genuinely getting mad right now, bro! Alright, let's see. What up, Angie? Alright. Stepped on button. Okay. Fucking Jesus. Stepped on button. Now we're gonna have this. Okay. Money manager. Actor key does not equal string. Invalid actor key. Money activated equals true. Server should have cleared money. We're not even using this? Wait, what? Update. Yeah, no, what is this? Nah, you just need to get your 8 hours and maybe you want to have some more efficient with your coding. At least try it. I mean, dude, I get like 6 or 5. Fuck if I know. Yeah, when I get 8 though, you know, I'm locked in. But I've actually got a shit ton of work today. Like I'm surely not being inefficient like you think I am right now. I should turn this into a function for the money module, but I really don't care. It's not that big of a deal. For the sake of time. Alright, so this is stepped on it. And this is should have cleared money. Let's see what happens now, bro. Let's see what our friends are doing. I should take that down on the walls over there. Okay, so we're not even we're we're not even getting through. Oh, this is why right here, bro. I was supposed to remove that and I forgot to. Awesome, dude. Oh, shoot. Oh. Dude, I can't wait to like add sounds and shit and like that's gonna be lit. Add sounds, more like highlights for pickup. Highlights for pickup and for like if I'm near it, I want to do a yellow highlight, honestly. And then VFX, money VFX, I guess. Oh no. Oh no. We still didn't do anything, bro. We still can't get it, bro. Jesus Christ. Alright, bro. Let's see. Let's see what's up. Ah, this is why. Wrong line. Okay, now this should work, bro. Now this should work, bro. Fucking do it, dude. Let's fucking do it. Attempt to compare number? What? I know why this happened. I'm just gonna put in a check real quick, 'cause it's just, I don't want it to be there. Yeah, it's gonna totally work now, dude. I already know it is. Fucking lit, bro. Just balled out on the money system. Well, right now, bro, I'm just making the money system. And I didn't start it too long ago. Like, I did it all today, like when I got on, which was not long ago at all. So, Boom! That was cool, wasn't it? Hey. Boom! But it doesn't update like it should be. Or at least it didn't feel like it. Maybe it did. Oh, it got to 50 because it's going to 50 like really, really fast. So that's why. But now, to make this better, I would add money VFX. Maybe like a green lightning strike, bro. I really like lightning strikes for some reason. And then also sound and all that other shit, you know what I mean? What is this? No. Oh, that's stupid. The fuck is this? I don't know, bro. This like a serious game or just a way to learn? No, it's not a way to learn, bro. It's a serious game. Yeah, this is like day 7. This game's gonna be done by the end of today. And this is day 7, so I mean that's pretty quick, bro, to bust out a game. But I want some like snazzy VFX though. No, I don't need to work on visuals, bro. Um, I'm I'm good. I'm just gonna like search through the toolbox and just use whatever, bro, honestly. I mean, if you want to join the Discord and put it in there, maybe I'll look at it sometime. But I just find shit on the toolbox. I really don't care. But I don't think they got what I'm looking for. Like maybe if I made that white, that would actually be kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Or made that green. Like this one, or this one. I think this one would be awesome. So I'm gonna copy that. Yeah, I mean, put it in the Discord, bro. I'll check it out. Dude, I might hop off, bro. Kyrie, come on. Bro, what is this? 12.17 billion, bro? Has to be dramatic.
My money long term. That's why I choose Acorn.
Has to be dramatic, bro.
They let me invest spare change for my everyday purchases.
Roblox has just made the biggest mistake of all time by responding to their ban of Schlep, a YouTuber who catches Roblox vigilantes from Roblox. While seemingly well-intentioned, the vigilantes we've banned have taken actions that are both unacceptable and create an unsafe environment for.
Like, I don't know how they can be so delusional to not recognize the reason why it evolved beyond just reporting and then they started using like decoys to try and get more evidence is because you weren't acting on the reports. Thus, they gathered more evidence on these bad actors and turned it over to authorities who did.
That's crazy, bro. I didn't know Pensions commented on it, bro. It's literally mainstream at this point. That's actually kind of fucking nuts. I'm not gonna lie. It's like dummy mainstream, bro. The news too? Jesus Christ, bro. They might be fucked. Is Roblox fucked? Is Roblox gonna die? I mean, Grow a Garden still has over 3 million players, so I'm guessing not. That's kind of like crazy. I mean, yeah, and if we're being honest, bro, like, yeah, this is concerning stuff and it's all fucked up, but I just feel like most parents out there still aren't gonna give a fuck and still aren't gonna like moderate what their kids are on. You know what I mean? So it's just like, yeah. And that's at the end of the day, like that's whose responsibility it is to make sure they're not consuming outrageous content. Maybe GL. I mean, we really have no idea. I don't know if they're doing anything illegal or not, so I can't, you know what I mean? Like, I just have no idea. It's going to be determined by, I think, the court, and if there's a settlement and whatever lawsuits are, like, pending, maybe. I really don't freaking know, dude. But I wouldn't be surprised if they ended up still getting away with it. And I wouldn't be surprised if they got away scot-free with what it is. Because that's just how the system works sometimes. Yeah. I mean, FBI, are they? That's crazy. I didn't know. I don't know about that. I've never heard that. That's actually fucking wild. All right, what was I doing? I'm like zooming in and out of studio, trying to think on what I was doing. Oh yeah, that pack you sent. I just copped it. Let's see. Cool. Where'd you get this pack, by the way? Because I've never seen it in the toolbox, honestly. Maybe I've seen the shield. These look like... Is this flipbook? This flipbook shit? Here's a cool, like, lightning effect, but I don't know if it'll look good or not. Oh, shit! Yo, I might use this, bro. I might use this green one, but is that too much? That might be too much. That might be goofy as fuck. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of goofy. It's not a fucking Battlegrounds. It's probably goofy as shit, I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck is this? This is kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Depends on what you want to use it for. I mean, it's a money. You're grabbing money, so it's just to let people know that you're grabbing money. So So I might use... Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I'm hip. That's kind of cool, though. Like, I could probably make that green if I can, and then use that, maybe. I don't fucking know. Oh, you... Golden pack. Where's the particle at? I don't get it. Oh, there it is. I feel like this would be good if it was just the lightning. I would want to use it if it was just the lightning, maybe. Yeah, I think I'm going to use that. An explosion to pick up money is kind of crazy. No, I don't really want an explosion, bro. I think that's a little too much. This is only gonna play for like a split second, too. Just gotta change the color. I like that. I'm cool with that, bro. Like, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Like, just a quick, and I'm probably gonna emit it, like, maybe, I don't even know how many times. Because if you put on, if you take off enabled, then you can use emit. Then you can use emit. Alright, so... All right, bro. Peace out, Gio. I'm probably actually I need to write a note. I'm gonna go too, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go too. So I'm gonna say we're gonna emit VFX to look clean. So we're probably gonna do like emit 4 or emit 5, and then we're gonna do like space it out like task.wait, or we'll do like some kind of weird situation. Or a run server. We could add it in a run service, put the VFX in a table or something, and then on a step, like every time, and then have a time elapse the variable. That'd be much better than just doing like task.to, all this other dumb shit. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because that's not gonna take long. Boom. All right, yeah, I'm gonna get off too, bro. All right, have a good one, RZ. Peace out, bro.